thanks to Dad and New Germany out of Irving. It's a Black Ranger called Slightly Twisted. Remember last year he was called the Shoe Fox, remember? Oh yeah. Last time I was here, he down the court and his truck was down the court. It was so great. So his check liver light, ladies and gentlemen, put a sign on there just for him. Final turn. I'm slightly twisted.